How to deposit money into your Wealthsimple account. Hi everyone, in this following video I'll be showing you the ways to deposit money into your Wealthsimple account. So in order to deposit money into your Wealthsimple account, first of all go ahead and open up a browser and then type in wealthsimple.com. When you type in the following information, it's going to take you to this page. Go ahead and tap the tab bar and then go to login. Due to some security concern, I won't be able to show you the procedure, so I'm just gonna instruct you. When you're logged into your account, you can go ahead and tap the move tab button at the bottom of the screen. When you do that, go ahead and select choose deposit, and on the other page you have to select add funds. Now choose an account and select tap to continue, and then you can go ahead and select the interact e-transfer menu options, enter in the exact amount that you wish to deposit and click on the continue button. As you've done that, review your details and submit the request. Once you've done, it's gonna take a couple of hours or minutes in order to complete a deposit procedure. Till then, you have to wait patiently. So that's how you can deposit money into your Wealthsimple account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.